comes to the production of lipsticks, the process and ingredients have changed over the centuries. From the origin of lipsticks, the Sumerians made them by crushing gemstones and using them to adorn their faces, primarily on the lips and the eyes. On the other hand, the Egyptian Queen Cleopatra got her own lipstick by crushing something more alive. That is, the cochineal insect, which produces carminic acid that it uses to deter predation from other insects. However, when this carminic acid is extracted and combined with calcium or aluminum salts, it gives rise to carmine, also known as carmine dye or cochineal, which is mainly used as a colorant in food and red lipstick, with the specific code name of E120 or natural red 4. Apart from the Sumerians and Egyptians, other cultures also had their own make of lipstick. Women from the ancient Indus Valley civilization used rectangular beveled-ended pieces of ochre as lipstick with different colors based on the amount of clay and sand. Ochre is a natural clay earth pigment obtained from the mixture of ferric oxide and different amounts of clay and sand. On the other hand, the Kama Sutra considers lipstick to be made from red lac and beeswax. The Chinese also used beeswax to make lipstick over 1,000 years ago. However, between 618 to 907 CE, a time known as the Tang Dynasty, they added scented oils to the mixture to make the lips more enticing. Ancient Egyptians improved their lipstick making process and started using 0.01% iodine, some bromine mannite, and red dye extracted from Fucus algine, a type of seaweed, but this red dye resulted in major illnesses seen in its users. In England during the 16th century, lipsticks were made using beeswax and red coloring from plants. However, that changed with time. The first commercial lipstick was invented in 1884 by perfumers from Paris, France. This lipstick was made from beeswax, castor oil, and deer tallow covered in silk paper. The United States in the 19th century made lipstick using a carmine dye, which was considered unnatural. However, in the early 1890s, carmine was combined with an oil and wax base to give it a more natural look. This period gave rise to many cosmetic brands making lipsticks using different ingredients. One of those popular brands is MAC Cosmetics, a Canadian cosmetics company founded in 1984 in Toronto, Canada by Frank Angelo and Frank Toscan. When the MAC Cosmetics company started, it produced cosmetic products for only makeup professionals and models. However, these models asked for some makeup products for their sisters, friends, and so on, which caused the company to start making and selling their cosmetic products to consumers worldwide. MAC Cosmetics is one of the 3 leading global makeup brands, with a yearly turnover of more than $1 billion and 500 independent stores, 30 of which are located in France, and professional makeup artists run all these stores. MAC, which stands for Makeup Art Cosmetics, is an official makeup brand, which creates makeup for movie actors. And the most common products from this brand are the Ruby Woo lipstick and Studio Fix fluid. The production of MAC lipsticks are quite similar to those of other brands. However, what might be different would be the raw material used to make these exotic lipsticks. MAC Cosmetics uses raw materials such as plastics, silica, castor oil, candelia wax, beeswax, alcohol, and pigments. Once the raw materials are acquired, then comes the manufacturing process, which is a 3-part procedure involving melting the raw materials, mixing these materials, pouring mixture into the tube, and packaging the product. In the manufacturing process, the raw materials are melted and mixed separately because of the different types of materials used. One mixture will have the solvents, a second mixture will contain the oils, and a third one will have the fats and waxy ingredients. These are heated in separate ceramic or stainless steel containers, after which the pigments are added. Once the pigment has been added to give the mixture some color, then comes the packaging process. In this process, the mixture is agitated, poured into tubing molds, cooled till it solidifies, and then separated from the molds. Different types of wax can be used, such as candelilla wax, ozocrite, beeswax, and carnauba wax, due to its high melting point, which makes it a main ingredient to strengthen the lipstick. Different oils and fats are also used in making lipstick, such as petrolatum, mineral oil, olive oil, lanolin, castor oil, and cocoa butter. Various pigments are also used, including, but not limited to, D&C red number 21, bromo acid, calcium lake dyes such as D&C red 7 and D&C red 34, and D&C orange number 17. What color of MAC lipstick is your favorite? Leave your answer in the comment section below.